like my makeup, honey?
I love it. I love the makeup, but your teeth could probably use some whitening.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am testing out a teeth whitening kit today. I know you guys have seen this all over line. I was like, interested. Okay, I got it. You know, is it good? I don't know. Okay, let's open it up and see what it looks like. Now, I do want to tell you guys that iSmiles California is sponsoring this video, but what does that mean? The God honest truth on my channel. I don't know about other people's channels, but that means you're going to get a review, right? But you're going to get an honest review. So it comes with good, bad, ugly, everything in between. I'm going to tell you guys the truth. The one thing that iSmiles did not know about my teeth is that you guys are going to get the ultimate test, because right here, so they didn't know this, and you guys are going to know this. So these teeth right here, and right here are so much more white than this and this and this, because they are very super expensive veneers. So my front two teeth, look. And the reason I'm wearing red lipstick is so that you guys can really, really see the difference. Look. So you can see, look, like this and this are so much more yellow than these front teeth. So a lot of times when I smile, you know, I only try to show my front teeth, you know, because like the back ones are yellow. You can more drastically see it on my bottom. So you see how this one, and these are very expensive. So like it has a little bit of yellow on the bottom, and then it goes up to a white color. But look at how yellow this and this is compared to this. So the doctor had said teeth that look more natural kind of have just a 2 to 3 shades, believe it or not. So like that's why he put these in right here, and it goes from like a little bit of yellow into a white. But all of these are stained, and I think it's very clear on camera. And you look how yellow that is in comparison to this. Like, look at that. That's a huge difference. Light and yellow. Because I have not whitened my teeth in forever. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. This is very professional looking. And this is kind of cool. Look at this. Told you the shades. Now, I'm not that yellow. Let me see in a mirror. How yellow am I? Okay. So my color is like this number 8 right here. And my front teeth right here are a number 3. That's a huge difference. Wow. Oh, wow. And the top ones right here. Okay, so the top one are white, right? They are a number 3. So he matched this one to that one. So they're a number 3. But the ones back here are either an 8 or a 9. And look at that. That's huge difference. So let's go ahead and try it out and see if this is like awesome or not. This is very cool. So look at this. That is very, very cool. And the pens, like the, oh, look, it comes with one of these little suckers that you put in your phone if you wanted to, or you can put it in a USB port. This is actually very, very professional looking, guys. So I can see why they got so many reviews on Amazon. Okay. Oh, no. So this one, sorry, is if you have this kind of phone. But it comes with the attachable that is an Android or an Apple. So I do have my Apple right here. My Apple phone. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Oh, no. Wrong one. That one. Ooh, okay. And it turned this color. Let me adjust the lights so you guys can see. So it has red and blue lights. It is blue. Oh, there you go. So you can see the reflection more against the black right here. You see that's blue and then the red at the end. We're going to go ahead and take one of these pens. So it has the 3 and then this one's the blue one. Pump it up. I like that it's clear because you can really see the liquid right here and when it gets all the way to the top.
It says this kit is from iSmile, California. It is a new company based out of Los Angeles, California, specializing in teeth, whitening products, and oral care. Okay, I like that very much. The fact that it's based out of Los Angeles. I always try to support companies that are based in the United States, as I think everybody should support companies based out of their country. Okay, so as I read through it, it says here that no whitening treatment should ever be performed without protecting and remineralizing your teeth during and after a procedure. So it's kind of impressive to me that it says that, because most companies, I don't know, I have used teeth whitening strips before. I'm not going to throw any names under the bus, but you know, the ones that you kind of like stick onto your teeth and it has like, it almost feels like it's glue, and like it just, they do okay, you know, but this one looks like it does awesome. Okay, so as I read through here, the one thing it also says is that it's FDA approved formula, which is a thumbs up on that. It contains 3 pins that are FDA approved. Woo woo! You are supposed to put directly onto the lower and upper teeth. Okay. I don't know what I would do if I wasn't reading this. I might have put it in the tray. But it says directly onto the teeth. And it comes also with a remineralizing gel pen that you need to apply after the treatment. Then you have the LED light, which is unique by display. It has red and blue lights at the same time. The blue lights here are activated and enhancing the effort of the whitening gel by brightening the teeth and removing drastically new and old stains of coffee, soda, wine, and tea. These particular blue lights are also compatible with killing bacteria that cause tartar buildup and bad breath. Ooh, okay. I can see just by reading this why they got so many stars. Okay, so what's also amazing and unique with the kit is that they integrated the so-called red therapy by adding red light wavelength in the tray. It's clinically proven that red light therapy decreases sensitivity, and promotes tooth and tissue repair. So it says afterwards, you just need to remove the tray from the mouth, and then you can go rinse at the sink or wherever you are. It says, but you don't have to. What? Once the 15 minutes are over, you just need to remove the tray from the mouth. You can rinse your mouth with fresh water if you feel it, but you don't have to. Okay, well, I'm going to, because I don't want something in my mouth. The teeth whitening residue is being dissolved into your saliva anyways. No big deal. Okay. And finally comes to the teeth. And then we go over to the teeth mineralizing gel, which is the blue pen. It contains a special formula made of fluoride. Oh, that's good. So it's putting fluoride back into the teeth that promotes healthy teeth, remineralizing the top layer of teeth and repairing your tooth enamel that prevents you from new stains. Repairs your tooth enamel and prevents from new stains. So the cool thing is that it says that it has a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is great. Okay, anyways, I'm going to stop rambling. Then we're going to go ahead and open this up and do exactly what it says we're supposed to do.
Okay, I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to try this. So I just removed it, and I'm going to brush my teeth because I don't know. I mean, I know it says that you can leave it on your teeth, and it doesn't really feel like anything, but I don't know, I just am weird like that. So I'm going to just brush it with some water. Be right back. Can we just admire how awesome my lipstick looks? So this is not good lighting. Let's take you back to the other lighting and see what the teeth look like. And I just rinse this thing off. This is actually a very comfortable tray. As you can see, like it's flexible, so it goes to all different sizes. But yeah, it does like foam up, kind of like any other whitening kit that you try. That's just like a typical reaction. I almost think like it's the peroxide or something that does that. But let's go ahead and go back and see if our teeth look whiter or not. Lipstick is still intact. Anyways, so I actually have to say that I am kind of impressed. And the reason that I'm impressed is because I was looking at this chart. You guys know my teeth were a 3. And if I compare, just look. So this is a number 3. This never changed colors. It was these side ones, right? So if you look, like, there's the number 3, right? No, it's not a 3. You can see. But it is like a 4. I think it's more 4 than 5. That's a big difference. The reason I also couldn't tell that it whitened is because, like, I have a little, I don't know, a tiny minor crack in my tooth right here. If I can zoom in, I'll show you guys right now. Hey guys, so this is a crack right there that you couldn't see, that I couldn't see before. Look at that. You can see it now. And when I get close up, so let me zoom out a little bit. So this is what the doctor did. See how they're like lighter and then they're a little yellow. These are permanent. They do not stain. So it's yellow, goes to light. And see the transparency, how they go from like that color to that color, because it's naturally what I lift to. You can see the transparency at the tips of these as well. So this is what my teeth naturally lighten to. And look at how much lighter it is. Like you can almost like see through the tooth. So I hope you guys were able to see the crack, but it wasn't showing before, which means that it's showing now because it's whiter. Now, I forgot this because I haven't whitened my teeth in so long. So these here, like I told you, the doctor did this one. This is actually a bridge. These are veneers. This is bridge. He did the bridge like this. So he did a little yellow on the bottom and it fades into like that lighter color that I told you. So a little tiny stain and it fades into a yellow, because now I remember why. Because my teeth next to it, even though they were all like yellow, they looked like yellow and one color. My teeth naturally whiten that way. So everybody's teeth have a certain amount or a certain degree of whiteness that they can whiten to. This is at least what my personal doctor told me, you know, and my teeth naturally whitened to what he put in front right here, because he had whitened my teeth prior to getting this crown. And if you look, like all of my teeth look almost identical to my crown now. So here's the crown. That's a little bit yellow and it goes to like that light. And here's the little yellow and it goes into the light. A little yellow and it goes into the light. But he also did say that a lot of times when you do these teeth whitening pens, or when you go and get a teeth whitener done at the dentist, to make sure that you put it in the back of the tooth as well, in the front and the back. And sometimes on certain people, they have like this transparency to their teeth. And if you look at my teeth, I have transparency on the bottom. So look, like it goes from like a yellow to the cream, I guess you could say, the same color as my crown. But then if you put light to it, you can see that the light, you know what? Let me put some light to it, that the light goes through the tooth, which means that it took that stain off, the stains that were there, because you couldn't see that before. Okay, guys, that looked ridiculous, me trying to put a light in my mouth behind my tooth. Oh, I rinsed my teeth. You know, I'm reading here what it says now. So I rinsed my teeth off, and I'm over here. And now it says that I'm supposed to get the blue gel, which this is the blue gel. And it says here, too, this is going to remineralize my teeth. You don't have to turn on the light. So let's go ahead. This is the fluoride, I believe, that goes on your teeth. So let's go ahead and just push it up and then remineralize our teeth. And this helps decrease sensitivity of your teeth, which is good to know. And now we wait. So I already rinsed my teeth out with the remineralizing fluoride, and now it says that you just rinse this in cold water. So I rinsed my mouth out, and then I did kind of just scrubbed it with my toothbrush because I don't like having anything left on my teeth. Looks good. Let's go to the lights. I don't know. Hopefully you guys can see it on camera, the transparency. But I'm going to say, like, it didn't irritate my teeth. It was very comfortable. And the fact that it's portable and I can take it anywhere and use it with my iPhone or your Android, if you're an Android loser. I don't know why I said that. An Android user. Maybe I said that because I'm pro Apple. I don't know. I don't know why I said that. That's so weird. Anyways, if you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notification of new videos. I must be a loser. because I was an Android person, then I turned into an Apple person. Anyways, I'll post all the information about this company down below in the description box. But like, I'm like, yeah, it looks good. It looks good. I look good. I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye. You know what, guys? I totally forgot to tell you. When you whiten your teeth, don't ever wear a red lipstick. Don't wear any lipstick when you're doing it because you don't want the lipstick to interfere with the peroxide. I was using a Lip Sense in this video, and for you guys that know Lip Sense, it does not come off your lips. It's like the most powerful lip stain that it will only come off if you have like a glycerin, a Neutrogena glycerin bar of soap, or you have their Lip Sense remover. I did the red lipsticks, so I can show you guys the drastic difference of color and how much it lightened, but it did not interfere with the peroxide. But a regular lipstick, I would imagine if it got into the peroxide, might interfere with this teeth whitening. So I'm just putting that out there. So anyways, let's go ahead and just jump on over to the quote of the day.